that Mr. Edmondson is in his classroom.
You're so good at that. I gotta give him extra credit for that. Go around.
John. John. We're doing a nature show now. Come on. We're doing a nature show.
A nature show?
Yes, a nature show. You're on. Come on, talk in your voice. Come on.
Hello, how are you? I don't know what to say.
Come on, say something. Say, look at this piece of grass.
I'm going to show you the most loveliest dandelion. Come with me. Oh my god! Oh my god! It's a dandelion, and it's not broke. I promise. It's just in this typical season. It just it blows off in the wind, and then it spreads and it spawns. Now we will go, and I will show you this lovely clover. This is a clover. It's not a 4-leaf clover. It's a 15-leaf clover. They grow in the summertime, and sometimes people think these are weeds, but I don't think these are weeds. I think they're very lovely.
So I'm putting that critter back, or the...
I'm putting it back because God planted it there. And right here is a bag of chips.
Doing a nature show.
Bag of chips. This is called littering. We don't like to litter. We put these in trash cans.
John, talk to the English. Get them to come here.
All you guys up there, I need you to come over here.
Yeah, you need to be quiet.
This is John's nature show.
Lord, I don't know where it came from. Let's taste and see.
Oh no! Oh no! Quit it!
It tastes like Red Mountain Dew. Okay, I'm done.
Alright, John.
Challenge you to a duel of the arm.
Guys, shut up.
Ready, set, go. Oh gosh. I've got you right where I want you. I'm not going down without a fight. I'm going down without a fight. Victory is mine.
Got another nature show here.
As I'm looking onto some tall grass because our people don't like to mow the lawn. There's the 15-leaf clover.
Stronger than you think.
We've got a lovely dandelion right here. This is called the yellow dandelion. It's a springtime special. We got these over here.
Act surprised or something. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh! This one right here, it's got 5 dandelions on it, and then it's got baby dandelions on it. This is a mommy. I don't know where the daddy is, but the mommy is right here because you can tell she's giving birth. We're gonna let her hatch.
Run up this. Oh my god.
Oh gosh, that one almost bit me. Gotta be careful, these ones are fierce.
Do something about Newman. Do something about Newman. Now that we got the wildebeest. Do it.
Now did you see that there? The purple wildebeest. It's the bald wildebeest.
custom.
We got